Hey everyone, it's Chris and Rob here with Haven. We are announcing our Orlando new product launch and training event happening March 2nd in Orlando, obviously, and we would like to invite everyone to come. We've got all brand new stuff, new technology, new apps, everything you're going to see is new from Haven, so really excited about it, and
For sure.
want to see everybody there.
Yep. It's our second event of the year. We're having a great turnout so far for the Cincinnati event. We're expecting the Orlando event to be full too. It's can't miss, guys.
They will fill up, and they'll fill up quick. So get on our website, sign up, give us a call. Either way, get signed up, and we'll get you in. It's limited to the first 50, so get your spots and come see us.